he's sovereign citizen, not real like combative or anything, just passive aggressive kind of deal. He's suspended. The truck's suspended. We wanted to at least get one of you county guys out here.
All right, let's do it.
The registration on the truck is registered to a name same first as yours, Douglas, but a different last name, but it's under your driver's license number from California.
So I went down and canceled the driver's license. It had been suspended. I wasn't driving, but I canceled it, and they told me this was after it had expired. You cannot cancel it. It's not suspended. It can't be suspended. It expired. It's done.
Okay, well, the truck's registration is suspended. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to sit right here. You've agreed that you're going to appear before court on the date that's listed on the citation, correct?
Sure. As attorney in fact, I'll show up. Sure.
Okay. Now, I'm advising you I'm going to walk back there. You're not able to drive this vehicle because it's not registered and insured.
Can I get someone to come get it?
You can get somebody to come tow it, absolutely.
Okay, so
I'm going to go back here and work for a second.
If you want a contract, this is all about business. I understand what's going on here. I don't want to cause any controversy.
So let's not, and if you have a private party tell you like to call, let's get them en route now, okay?
I don't.
Because it's got to be towed.
See, I won't argue law, and I know you don't want to argue.
I don't.
And
it's a one-sided argument.
I'm above the law, but the law does apply to those who want a contract with government. A driver's license is a contract. It's a contract. I don't have a contract.
Well, you're choosing not to do it, and it's against the law.
Well,
okay, so you made those choices. You're perfectly aware of making those choices, and that's giving you what's coming, which is citations.
See, licentious behavior is illegal behavior. So when you have a license, you can break the law. If you don't have a license, it's impossible.
So you could just go the wrong way.
You're saying it's suspended.
So you could just do like 80 right through here, right?
Well, since 2006, I haven't had one. No, that would be ridiculous.
How could you?
That would be ridiculous.
Why do I have a license? I need to get rid of mine.
Was I doing anything unsafe?
I just got in trouble earlier today for speeding.
But you know
I need to follow.
I'm serious. I wasn't.
So if I don't have a license, I don't have to follow that law.
Did he tell you what he pulled me over for? No license plate on the front.
Which you don't have.
Right. But
valid reason.
I can find any number of cars that don't have a license. There's one right there, the black Jeep. But that's irrelevant. I'm not going to, argue with you.
He had a perfectly lawful reason to stop you.
I wasn't speeding though. If I did something unsafe, totally. I'm not doing anything illegal. I know you say I am. I say let the judge decide.
Yeah, and your beliefs are just different than the law.
This is what I should have had on the back of this.
That would have got it pulled over a lot faster. I mean,
but that honestly,
you're better off trying to get away with the suspended plate than you put this on the back of your car. Every cop is going to get you within 10 feet of pulling out of your driveway.
I'll tell you something that's funny. Is that maybe it's not funny.
Oh no, I think it's funny. I think these are hilarious.
He seems to have his own beliefs and why he can be on the roadway and why he shouldn't register his vehicle. But now NHP's issued him citations for the suspended registration and license. They're choosing not to tow the vehicle.
I'm telling you, you can't drive this vehicle. When I leave, what you do with it, that's on you, correct? Okay? You're free to go.
He doesn't like to be associated as a sovereign citizen, but their belief line is similar in the fact that they don't abide by the Nevada laws. They don't abide by state laws because in their mind they're not owned by the state. Anytime you're dealing with those guys, you have to be confident. You have to know your laws, and you have to not get caught up in their legal tongue twister.